Hello, friends around the world, and welcome again to this channel. Here is Assia, and today we will start the book, The Peace Corps Morocco. The book is Moroccan Arabic, right? Darija. This is made by the Peace Corps Morocco, right? So we will start. I already do some classes from it if you watch my channel. But today we will go ahead and see the book from the beginning, okay? So we will start from page 1. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so this is just like acknowledgements, like things and all. So no need to see this. So if we want to talk about the table of continents that we have introduction, greetings, describing yourself, useful expressions like numbers, it have shoppings, money, verbs to want, direction, grammar, past events, daily routine, shopping, bargaining, and all. Okay. Most of them I have videos on my channel. You can return to it. You can see medical body, food and drinks at the hotel. But using this book, it will help us go in an order as you see you. So you can download the book by yourself, or you can find it in the description below. Okay, so go ahead and download it and follow the video. So here they are talking about sounds, and if we want to see sounds, so we have alphabets as normal Latin. The alphabet sound that we don't have in Latin languages like French. So we just go ahead and write it with numbers, like number 3, this sound, okay, or sound okay, it's like someone wants to talk or speak and he can't. Normally H and ash in French is silence, okay? So just in Arabic we pronounce it, so we write it with number 7. Example, father is Baba in Darija, they aren't here. So B is Baba same, and D Dada, that is can be my grandfather. E is, for example, sheet. You can add E in the end, so all of it is just normal. Okay, so the alphabet, as I told you, normal pronunciation P. I don't know. Okay, let me see a word I can remember. Let's start with F. So Fatima is a noun, okay. And for example, G, garro. So normally we pronounce with the g, garro, la gar. Okay, so H, as I told you, hanut. Okay, E, uh, I, and we pronounce it, for example, ila, F, ila. G is, for example, Jamila, or Jamil is beautiful. Cow is peanuts, okay. L, we can say Layla, is a noun, a name. And here M is can be mama, my mom, and can be Naam, yes. If someone call you, yes, I'm here, Naam. Or for example, also O itself, it's mean end, okay. ومشيت ودخلت, okay. P, I can just remember now, Petadine. Petadine, just first aid medicine, okay. Um, mm, I cannot really think of something different with P right now. Okay. And R, it can be, for example, Rania. This is a name as well. Rania. So we pronounce it kind of Arabic like Ra, as you see here. Okay, so the S is normal sound as English. Suad, Sandala. Okay, so Suad is a name. Sandala is shoes. Okay, and uh, like tea is normal, so it can be تفاحة. تفاحة is apple. Okay, so you Usted, for example. So some people write it with U, some people write it with O, and it's almost kind of same. Okay, so V is the pronounce of vitrina, for example, a closet. Vitrina. W is the sound of wa. Okay, w. Wa, it's also and. Warigol, just say, okay? وما درنا والو or والو itself wa as you see like Arabic wa. Greg is you, okay, sound like talking in French. So is for example Yasmin. Yasmin, so we pronounce it as Arabic, so yeah, okay. So said is Zinab, the name of Zinab. For example, Zuina, okay, beautiful. Normally we don't have this in Arabic, in like Arab, Moroccan Arabic, Darija. This, oh, okay, they mean like ch, or sh, so it's sh, okay, shmsh, shmsh. أيوة, for example, أيوة, so أي, أو, okay, أو, إيو, إيوة, for example. Okay, so this is kind of examples. I don't know what this is doing here. Sounds like a Turkish, but is not really. So sh is what we write in Standard Arabic or Darija. Then we have some new sounds. They said here, so they explain some new sounds. And we have like okay, they have things with dots. That's kind of weird, but they want, I think, to explain the sounds like Arabic to refer to it. That if it's have dots, that's the pronunciation is kind of different because they want to explain like standard Arabic pronunciation because we have it in Arabic, like Darija. I want to say like Moroccan Arabic Darija. H. So okay, GH is this sound, okay, is GH normally. This is how we write it, for example, here. Let me write it to you, just you can see what I'm talking about. For example, GH is, so this sound is GH, okay? Here is GH. غنمشي, okay, or غادي المكون صغ, okay. This sound isn't here, but the opposite of it is number 3. So we write it with 3 because we don't have another alternative. So we write it with, oh, okay, it's here. I'm searching for it, but it's here. So we write with number 3 as you see. Okay, so this is the things that we do. For H, as I told you, H, we write number 7. Okay, so we write number 7. That's the things that really you have to know in alphabet. And you can return to my alphabet videos. I have many explanation about it. I have the numbers explanation. You can return to it and see if you have problems in this. We have shta, for example, mra. Mra, the tension is in the R, okay, mra. It's like with Dublin, do, okay, so the R, mra or mra. So mra is woman and marra is time, okay, how many times. شحال من مرة, okay, شحال من مرة جريتي, how many times you ran, okay, how many times, مرة, okay, fine. Normally we write it with number 3. So Mara will write it normal with R, but here in the double we write it with number 3. Okay, so the double is number 3, so the tension is in the yar. That's you must pay attention to this because some words that sounds like almost the same, the pronunciation is different, and also the meaning. As you know, this is a dialect, so it's kind of normal. After we have other symbols, and like here they are explanation about the indicative, the definitive articles, words and symbol without vowels. Ch, as I told you, is pronounced sh, okay? Shimsh, for example. So you can read this when you have free time if you want like deeper understanding about the culture and all. Okay, so we arrive to greetings and how to greet people in Darija. Okay, so first thing, salam alaikum wa alaikum salam. It's not really Darija, this is standard Arabic greetings. You can just say salam, salam, this is normal. After or salam alaikum, you can use it because as Moroccans we use this word that is normal greetings like Islamic greetings. And after you have صباح الخير مساء الخير. Okay, صباح الخير مساء الخير صباح النور مساء النور, like good night, good light, good like um sorry, morning light, evening light. Okay, so خير is good, like nur is like shining, you know, like shining lights, shining morning. And also you have صباح على خير is good night. Okay, صباح على خير, that is good night. صباح على خير. As you notice, صباح or صباح is the morning. صباح is like saying you wake up in a good. Okay, على خير in a good because خير is a good. As you notice, خير, I don't know where they're writing it with X, but okay, so the writing here is different. It's okay, so خير, okay. So this is key H. So okay, here. Nor that I was telling you, nor is light. Okay, light or shine. Okay, but normally is meaning light. So it's like saying good morning or sorry, morning light or shining morning. Okay, so صباح على خير, it's good night. صباح على خير, صبحي على خير if you're talking to a female. صبحي على خير if you're talking to a female. So what I add in the female parts, I add only the I in the end. Okay, so I add only the I in the end. It depends on some cases we add just A, but here in this case we add I in the end. Okay, then this is perfect for you. Let's continue. So salam, salam. Here you can just like say salam. If you want to say assalamu alaikum, and the person gonna reply wa alaikum salam. It's normal. It's Islamic greetings, no problem in it. And after good morning, specific ones, صباح الخير, good evening, good afternoon, مساء الخير, we have the same. We don't have different things because in our timing we have three times. The males we have 4 times males. The fourth one is just snacking time. Okay, but you're gonna be surprised because like the dinner is late, so snacking is before dinner. Okay, this can be until 10 or something, so it's really here is different. Okay, then we can continue. Okay, so then we have what is your name? So شنو سميتك? I don't know what to write with different like this. Normally we write like that. شنو سميتك, or you can like write this شنو سميتك because I told you like CHSH is sh. Okay, so شنو سميتك, what is your name? سميتي, so this is the reply. سميتي, سميتي محمد، سميتي أسيا، سميتي إسماعيل. Okay, سميتك your. As you see سميتو O normally, or you as you want to pronounce it. Okay, so normally this is all possessive, like or not possessive pronoun, sorry, it's just like how to like call. If you call him, for example, to her, to his, to him, سميتها. Okay, this is like you're gonna know this with time. So سميتي، سميتك، سميتو، سميتها، سميتنا in a group, our. Okay, سميتكم yours in a group, سميتهم for they. Okay, so nice to meet you. Okay, I asked him about the name and all. I asked her about her name. Then I'm gonna say متشرفين. Nice to meet you. متشرفين. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, then in another conversation, I'm asking first about how are you for masculine first. كي داير. Okay, normally I'm writing it all together. كي داير. Okay, for female, كي دايرة. As I told you, in this situation, we add the a in the end. Okay, so كي دايرة. لاباس, are you fine? Okay, normally are you fine is just fine. Okay, لاباس, لاباس, fine. Then I'm gonna say I'm fine. I'm fine. الحمد Okay, or thanks God. الحمد meaning thanks God. Fine, thanks God. Okay, or you can say بخير, that is mean good. Thanks God. Everything is fine. كل شيء بخير. Okay, كل شيء بخير. Everything is fine. Thanks God. Alhamdulillah. Saying goodbye. Bislama. And I told you this in every video. So I'm telling you right now. So bislama. See you next time. I'm not gonna make this so long. And next episode. Okay. So stay turned on because this episode will be daily episodes. Okay, and that is for your own benefit, so you can like have intensive like classes. We're gonna end this book that have 200 like pages. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.